We use a stone to polish it to make it smooth. Okay. Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Today we are learning how to make traditional African clay bowl in Ghana. So let's go through the step-by-step process. First, you set your clay overnight in water. This is Auntie Maggie. She will be our molding teacher today. She's demonstrating how you set your base for the bowl. She will be adding the rest of the clay on to make the bowl. Instead of talking, let's see how the process goes. In a couple of minutes, I'll hop in and be the student here. All right, enjoy. Okay, so we had an issue of language barrier here. I didn't understand their language and they couldn't understand English either. So my friend will be kind of translating, at least attempting to translate for me to understand like whatever is going on around or the instructions being given. So let's see. This one is good.
You have to, this what she did, you will do the same thing to us.
Did I put it in?
Yeah, you put it in the water.
This one is too much.
Learn how to make a local bowl. To make sure that it looks like it.
Dip your hand.
I should like this. At this point, the language barrier was real. Like, I can't begin to tell you. I didn't understand what they were saying. Like, nothing at all. And at some point, my translator was trying to kind of translate, and it wasn't really direct as to what they wanted me to do. And I was lost. Everyone was lost. So I'm trying to figure this thing out because I will have to be able to expand the bowl like Auntie Maggie's done before we can continue. So. Let's see. Okay. Now everyone will be hopping in to rescue Essie.
It's similar like the way she's doing.
Okay.
I want to watch for you.
Okay. Auntie Maggie is applying sand on the floor just to prevent the wet clay from sticking to the ground, if you get what I mean. So the clay is dry clay, which kind of sets the base for our molding. I really didn't prepare for this experience. It just happened to us. We're going out to get dry clay pots. Like, I know the town was a popular place, they make them, so I wanted to get some back to Accra because this experience actually happened in Tamale, right in the northern part of Ghana. So I wanted to just get a bowl. I went and I saw the clay in the water and I'm like, oh, can you show me how to? And she said, yes, I can. So the experience began, you know. It was so nice and I really enjoyed it, and I hope you also enjoy watching this. We are done with our bowl. Auntie Maggie is making the lid for the bowl now before we actually bake it. So after the whole process, the clay bowl will be baked just like baking bread, right? So when the whole process is now done, it's now time for baking. You will set your oven just like you would for baking bread, and you put the bowls in it for it to, you know, bake for some time. You take it out to cool. After the cooling, it's now time for polishing. On to polish the clay bowl to make the surroundings smooth and the inside smooth too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you really enjoyed it as I did. And until we meet again, bye.